I look like a crazy person filming out here. Everyone that's driven by is giving me a weird look because I'm sitting here with my camera and my little stand. But anyways, that's besides the fact. But that's how good this blueberry ginger lemonade is. You absolutely have to enjoy it outside. Like, there's no other way around it. So let's jump right in. So this is what we are going to need today. We have our lemon, some fresh ginger, blueberries, and to sweeten it, I'm using sugar. You can use whatever you like. You can do it without any sweetener, whatever floats your boat. So the very first thing we're going to do is muddle our blueberries. And as you guys know, I'm not a real adult, so I don't have the tools necessary, but we're going to make it work, okay? Shot glass it is. So make sure you get them really nice and crushed up. Sometimes I get like giant chunks of blueberry in there. It reminds me of drinking boba. So once we have our blueberries nice and smushed, we are going to go straight into juicing the lemons. And I know it doesn't look like a whole lot, but this is super, super concentrated. Once we're done with the whole thing, it makes a good 4 or 5 glasses. So just hang with me, okay? Just stick with it. And then the very next thing we're going to do is peel our ginger, and just with a regular cheese grater, we're going to grate it, and that's going to really help dissolve it into this mixture. So this is basically our final product. I know it looks a little chunky and a little scary, but believe me, it goes down so smooth. Like I said, it doesn't look like a lot, but it actually will end up being quite a bit. You just give it a little stir, and I like to pour equal parts into these glass bottles that I bought from Amazon. You can just do a big batch, however you like. This is just more convenient for me because I'm always on the go. But dilute them with water as much as you can, and then let them chill in the fridge, and we are done. There you have it. It's super easy, really good for you, and it tastes so freaking good. Shout out to Wake with Marley. This recipe is hers. I'm obsessed with her page. She posts all kinds of smoothies and juices and vegan items that you can make. Her page mainly centers around fruit, which is pretty freaking awesome. I love it. That's all I have. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.